All right. So short wrap up. Thank you very much to the presenters in the various different Cegal offices over in Europe, and thank you very much to all the listeners for listening into our presentations. You have seen snapshots of some of the data science initiatives that we have going on in Cegal, and you, as I said in the introduction, it is across our organization in our different departments. Data science is sneaking in everywhere. If you have further questions to any of the products or services that you've seen today, don't hesitate to contact me on email, this email address here. Recordings of the presentations will be available within approximately 24 hours, and you will receive a link to those recordings. I do realize that I missed a couple of questions in the user interface. The GoToWebinar is a little new to me. I will make sure that we get answers out to all of the questions that we missed in the session today. And then for information, we will be having another data science workshop later this year in Q3 or Q4. And if you are interested in sharing and presenting some of your data science projects, initiatives, you can send in abstracts to this email address, and hopefully we can get some interactive client presentations in this workshop later in the year. And by that, I will say thank you again for listening in, and that was it for this webinar. Thank you very much.